time calculation in Excel is a bit tricky. You know why I'm saying so? For example, let's say this is the time we have, 10 o'clock, and let's say you wanted to add 40 minutes. And let's say again you won't get the right result there. Sometime the formatting and all that will have a problem. So the very smart way how we can do is equal to this is the time, and then you can just add simply whatever the time you want. Let's say we wanted to minus the 40 minutes, and that 40 minute the boarding time is always before the departure time. So maybe I can just apply the same thing everywhere, divided by 24 times 24 hour, and each hour has got 60 minutes. So as you can see that 10 o'clock, 10 minus 40 minutes is 9:20. Easily we can get it, right? So similarly, we can do the rest of the things. Now, denominator also common, like 24 hour into 60 minutes, that is 1440. Let's see the same thing we can do it. So travel time will be, let's say this is your flight time plus travel time divided by, and this is also going to be same, right? And maybe I will just add this and select this, give F4 divided by, you can give this value, and this is also going to be common for all. Give F4 and close the bracket. So that means duration is 10 o'clock. If the flight starts at 10 o'clock, the travel time is 2 hours. That means 12 o'clock we will reach there, right? We can just drag it up, and you can see that is perfect. 11 o'clock, 1, 1, 3, and all that. Let's say from there, like luggage claim, let's say take another 30 minutes. Add it equal to this time plus this time. So this is going to be common for all. So we're going to give F4 divided by 24 times 60, or we can give directly this value. So again, we are going to apply the same thing everywhere. So we can give F4. Okay, so now you can see another 30 minutes been added. So finally, let's say for booking and all that to come out of the airport and all that, another takes 15 minutes. So we can just add this plus, you can add this value. Again, once again, we're gonna do the same thing. F4 divided by this value, again F4, enter. So you can easily calculate. So that means, so this, if your flight is 10 o'clock and the boarding time will start 9:20 itself, if the, let's say the flight time is 2 hours, and you will reach like 12 o'clock. From there, luggage claim 12:30, and then taxi 12:45. I hope you like it. Thank you.